Good morning, YouTube. My name is Will. This is Enzo. And today we're just going to do a little Sunday short video. We're going to talk about the Vortex Generator that I have on my Evo. Now, unless you bought an MR, these don't come on them from the factory. This being an RS, obviously, wouldn't have had it. You can buy these from a few different places. Obviously, you can buy OEM. You could probably still get it from the dealer or like Mitsubishi Parts.net, I think is the website or something. But OEM is going to cost you at least a couple $100s. That's kind of silly in my opinion for OEM plastic. This is the Rexpeed version. This is the OEM black version. I think it's around $110 on their website. Fits perfectly. I've had this on my car for a couple years now and no issues whatsoever. Nothing is like coming up or anything like that. It is just held on by 3M tape and then under the weather seal here. Now, if you're not very mechanically inclined, such as myself, don't like to do a whole lot of installs by myself. However, this one's pretty simple. All you had to do was pull up the weather stripping up to about this point on both sides. That way you could lay it in. If you're looking to do a Vortex generator for your car, I would definitely encourage you to look at Rexpeed. I don't get any type of affiliate or anything like that from them. You can do a carbon version. I think it costs significantly more. I think it's like $2 something, maybe $250, maybe even $300. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with that. It just really wasn't what I needed. Plus the car being white, it's just easy to throw on a black one. You can also get all the color matches. You know, they do a lot of the OEM colors right from there. I think you have to wait a little bit longer on shipping, or you can get an unpainted version and take it to your local body shop and have them paint it as well if you're wanting to match it a certain color. It's usually pretty common just to have black on all the colors so they stand out a little bit more. However, from Mitsubishi, they were always color matched, so they always blended in with the bodywork. Now, I don't have an OEM Vortex generator to compare this with side by side, but like I said, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I would just encourage anybody to probably go this route versus spending a couple $100s on OEM. If you're willing to spend that much money, then I'd probably just get a carbon fiber one. I mean, why not at that point? I would have to imagine the carbon fiber would be a little bit harder to install because it's probably a little bit less flexible. I don't know that for certain, but just keep that in mind. Also, if your weather stripping is really old, be careful when you're taking it off. You may even want to consider replacing it. Mine's pretty old, but it actually is still holding up pretty well. So I didn't worry about doing that at the time. I'm still not worried about it right now. I am thinking about wrapping the car in the future. Maybe at that point, I'll replace the weather stripping. But for now, if it's not broke, let's just leave it be. This is the first kind of short video that I'm doing on that are going to focus mostly on like Evo parts, Evo upgrades, things like that. Let me know what you guys think of these. If you like this type of, you know, kind of bite-sized content versus the whole like vlog style or whole 20-minute video education, whatever. You got something to say? Enzo, sit. Good, sit. All right, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like if that's your thing. If you've got any comments about the Vortex generator, about the Evo in general, about myself, about Enzo, anything like that, definitely comment below. Like if that's your thing. Otherwise, we're gonna call it a day and go have some fun, right, buddy? Right? All right.